Hello, my name is David, and I will show you how to make the superstar from Super Mario. First, you take some clay, and how I did this is I took this circle of clay, flattened it into an oval, just kind of brought out some like lumpy points. I just did this for a long time on each side. Then I took a 90-degree, or just a corner of sorts, and put it on the corners. And, well, not the corners, you know, like the invert thing, you get it. And then after some like smoothing out and stuff, I made two little oval eyes and some little white twinkle things. Mine were transparent clay, so it kind of looks more realistic. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Bye. Dink. Dink. Dink.